for me as a teacher, it's very rewarding to see you have breakthroughs like that. But those breakthroughs only come when we stick at it. Yeah, and you have been really diligent in just stepping out the process.
Sound check.
One more. And stop.
Oh, yeah. What is going on? Dr. Dan, I'm having breakthroughs. It's not going squeaky. I'm just like, it's like the Disney princess is coming out. That's awesome.
And I think that comes from the previous work we've been doing on reducing tension, releasing tongue tightness, jaw activation, and just getting everything to be a bit freer through the vocal tract. But also in your developing understanding around registers and feeling the freedom to allow the voice to float, to travel.
Right.
Yes.
And I think also because I'm just kind of letting it do it too. Like I'm not making an effort to have it sound any particular way. That I listen to the note and I just try to make that sound with that note.
Yeah.
And then whatever my voice wants to do, I'm just kind of letting it do it. Just see what happens.
Let's as a continuance of what you're experiencing, jump across to exercise 16, and see if we can maintain that what you just experienced with that previous activity. One more. And stop. Cool?
I know, it's a good day.
It is a good day. You're doing well.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
I feel like I did well. Which is funny because I was tired and I didn't think I would, but I've also done some good practice this week and I cut back on some of my activities, so.
It's wonderful. For me as a teacher, it's very rewarding to see you have breakthroughs like that. But those breakthroughs only come when we stick at it. Yeah, and you have been really diligent in just stepping out the process. And I'm all about
patience, and I'm not known for my patience.
Well, I would know you for your patience because it's process over product. If you trust the process, the product will come.